this is Ken Michaels, host of the Mortgage Makeover Show and the Ken Michaels Show. Listen, you hear me talk every week about mortgage insurance, PMI on a conventional loan, or MIP if you have an FHA loan. MIP is mortgage insurance premium. Mortgage insurance, as you know, and you've heard me claim, is a ripoff. It is. Mortgage insurance is an insurance that insures the lender in the event you default. So you're paying somebody else's insurance. Well, that's not fair. If you have no history of default and you have good credit, why do you have mortgage insurance? Because lenders put mortgage insurance on consumers' loans if they put less than 20% down or if they take an FHA loan. Here's a tip I'm going to give you. Mortgage insurance rips off the general public two ways. One, whatever rate you have on your loan documents, you're not really paying that rate. You're paying a substantially higher rate because you have to add the mortgage insurance to the payment. So when you do that, what rate is that new payment equal to? Quite a bit higher than the rate that's on your documents now. Number two, so that's called the effective rate. So really, you could have a rate of 3.7%, but if you're paying $250 a month in mortgage insurance, you're really paying closer to 6%. So that 3.7% becomes a worthless number. That's the first ripoff of the general public. The second ripoff? Simple. When the year is done and you go do your taxes, you can only write off the interest portion of your mortgage, right? So if you're paying that effective rate of 6% because of the mortgage insurance, and now you can only write off the 3.7, you're being ripped off. Put an end to it. It is possible to remove mortgage insurance. It's done all the time. Here's the secret. One, you cannot contact your existing lender and ask them to remove it. Not gonna happen. I don't care what you've been told. I don't care what you've heard. Not gonna happen. Because your existing lender has the potential to make money on that mortgage insurance. But there are lending companies who remove mortgage insurance, who will rewrite your loan and eliminate the dreaded PMI or the dreaded MIP on an FHA loan. There is no benefit to the consumer to pay mortgage insurance. Nothing. Zero. It's not tax deductible, and it's not an insurance that helps you in any way. I'm passionate about this topic because I think mortgage insurance should be put on someone's loan depending on their credit score. I don't believe it should be across the board. That's another story for another day. Unfortunately, even the guy with the greatest credit, even the guy who's showing no history of default, if you put very little money down on a house or you go out and take an FHA loan, you're stuck with mortgage insurance. I don't think that's fair. So my advice is this: if you are paying mortgage insurance and your loan is 6 months old or older from the time you took the initial loan out, you can remove mortgage insurance. If you want to know how to remove mortgage insurance, call the number below and I will reach out to you and help you get rid of the mortgage insurance. Here's the bottom line. Take a stand. No more mortgage insurance. Okay? I understand some of you had to have mortgage insurance when you first took your loan out. That's not your fault, and that's fine. But now that your loan is 6 months old or older, if you continue to pay mortgage insurance, that's your fault. If your lender's told you you can't remove it, you've called your existing lender and they won't take it off, so what? There are places who do. I have those places that can help you save what you're paying in mortgage insurance and start putting that money into your pocket. Basically, it's time to end the ripoff. Okay? So, remember this. One, just because your existing lender says they won't remove it doesn't mean you can't remove it. You can. Two, I've got the resources to help you remove it. Call the number below. Okay? Number three, If you have mortgage insurance now, you are being ripped off two ways. You're paying a much higher rate than your loan papers say, and you're getting ripped off tax-wise because mortgage insurance is not tax deductible. Imagine this. Imagine if I came to you and said, hey, I want you to pay my auto insurance. You'd say, well, what do I get out of it? And I say nothing, but pay it for me anyway. Come on, help me out. You think I'm crazy. Guess what? The lender has told you, hey, we have a default insurance. We're not going to pay it. We want you to pay it. And we won't give you the loan unless you agree to pay it. You're put over a barrel. That's not fair. So, again, I will reiterate, you can remove mortgage insurance. Don't call your existing lender to do it. You contact me at the number below, and I will help you eliminate the ripoff and start putting what you're paying in mortgage insurance in your pocket. Okay? Remember, this is about you. There's no shame in the loan you took initially. Some of you may have been forced to take an FHA loan because maybe you had a small down payment. Maybe it was harder to qualify conventional and easier to qualify FHA. I get it. That's not your fault, and you did the right thing. There's nothing wrong with taking a loan that has mortgage insurance. But there is something wrong with keeping a loan that has mortgage insurance. Sometimes you have to get mortgage insurance in order to get into the property. I get it. No problem. It's your way in the door. No problem. You bite the bullet for 6 months. But if you've owned your home and you've had your loan longer than 6 months, and you're paying mortgage insurance on an FHA loan or on a conventional loan, get rid of it. No more mortgage insurance. Put that money in your pocket. Call the number below. I'm Ken Michaels. I'm here to help you. Ring the number below, and you're on your way to putting that money in your pocket. Have a great day. One more thing. You'll see a series of videos that will be appearing every week, educating you, the first-time home buyer or the existing homeowner currently, and I will be educating you on mortgage finance, real estate, credit, and I'll even take questions at my website, www.radioken.com. Don't forget to tune into my local radio show. If you go to my website, there is a place where you can see where the show's airing in whatever market you're in. And lastly, there's a book out on Amazon to help you. Check out my new book, Cashing Out Your Equity. It's $2.99. Click the link below. Go to Amazon. Get it now.